Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make snails. Materials needed for this craft: a big circle 14 centimeters long and a small circle which is about 9 centimeters long. 2 strips, it should be the same color as the big circle, and 2 small circles, it should be the same color as our other small circle, and last of all, a black sketch pen to draw the swirl on the shell and glue to attach everything together. Let's keep everything away and take our big circle. First, we have to fold it end to end. Then use your finger and tighten it. And now it should look like this. If you are done, keep it away. Take a small circle and your sketch pen marker or anything and draw the swirl. We have to go round and round. I hope my hands don't get dizzy by just drawing a circle and circle and circle. If you are done drawing the circle, take your big circle and your glue so you can start attaching it like this. Any side is good. Like this. Let's take our small circle and strips. We're going to start by attaching the small circles onto the strips. There we go. One done. Now both the strips are done. Now as we have both our strips, we need to attach them both together. We have to add a little glue and attach it. And ta-da! Now where we can take our snail and attach those cute things from the back. Shh, so nobody knows. There we go. Now as our snail is like this, we just need to add 2 little dots inside the circles and a big smiley. So after that we're done. Let's do this. As I added 2 dots, now for the smiley. It can be a big one or just Did you know that snails go very slowly? They have a sticky type of substance in their legs, so it helps them climb up walls. And did you know one more thing? The snails can almost eat anything! Hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to see more cutesy videos, just like, share with your friends and subscribe so you won't even miss one single video. I hope you enjoyed my